with a Taurus heart, casting spells with a soulful art, with Binks the cat and Loki the dog. Through the moonlit fog they jog. Her cauldron bubbles in the dark of night.
Welcome back, Taurus Heart Family. I hope everyone had a fantastic Thanksgiving filled with love, magic, and delicious food. Today we're keeping the festive spirit alive with a special post-Thanksgiving episode dedicated to gratitude and a touch of Witchy Black Friday fun. I'm Charlene, and I am thrilled to spend this magical time with you. Let's start with gratitude spells and rituals. Gratitude is a powerful force in witchcraft, amplifying our intentions and bringing positivity into our lives. Here's a simple gratitude spell you can perform. Gather a candle, a small piece of paper, and a pen. Light the candle and take a moment to focus on what you are grateful for. Visualize these blessings in your mind's eye. Write down your gratitude list on the paper. Be as specific as you can. Hold the paper close to your heart and say, "With this flame, I give thanks for all the blessings in my life. May my gratitude shine as bright as this light." Safely burn the paper in the candle flame, releasing your gratitude into the universe. Gratitude is not just about acknowledging what we have, but also about opening ourselves up to receiving more blessings. Here are a few more ideas for gratitude practices. You could start a morning ritual and start each day with a gratitude affirmation. An example would be, "I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life." Or a gratitude journal to write down 3 things you're grateful for each night before bed. You could even do thank you notes. Write thank you notes to people who have made a positive impact on your life. It can be a friend, family member, or even a stranger. Now, I'd love to hear your gratitude rituals and what you're thankful for this year. Share them with us on social media using the hashtag #TaurusHeartGratitude. Let's spread the magic of thankfulness together. Next, let's talk about Witchy Black Friday. It's a great opportunity to find magical essentials at great prices. Here are some tips to make the most out of your shopping. Crystals and herbs. Look for deals on crystals, herbs, and other spell ingredients. They make great additions to your magical toolkit. Amethyst, rose quartz, and clear quartz are often on sale and are versatile for many spells. Tarot decks. Many shops offer discounts on tarot decks and other divination tools. It's the perfect time to expand your collection. Keep an eye out for special editions or new releases that might be on sale. Books. Look for books on witchcraft, astrology, or any other magical topics that interest you. Knowledge is the most powerful tool we have. Support small businesses. Focus on supporting small witchy businesses and artisans. Your purchase helps keep the magic alive in our community and ensures that you're getting unique handcrafted items. Ethical shopping. Be mindful of the origins of the items you buy. Opt for ethically sourced crystals and fair trade products whenever possible. I remember a few years ago, I found the most beautiful amethyst crystal on sale. It has become a centerpiece in my altar. What about you? I'd love to hear about your memorable Black Friday finds or experiences. Share your stories with us on social media. Now, let's get crafty with some magical DIY gift ideas for your loved ones. Creating your own gifts not only saves money, but adds a personal touch that's infused with your own magic. Here are a few ideas. Spell jars. Create personalized spell jars for your friends and family. Fill them with herbs, crystals, and a handwritten spell tailored to their needs. For example, a protection jar could include black tourmaline, rosemary, and a pinch of sea salt. Homemade incense. Blend your incense using dried herbs and essential oils. Package them in beautiful jars or bags for a thoughtful gift. Lavender, sage, and frankincense make wonderful combinations. Infused candles. Make candles infused with magical intentions. Add herbs, crystals, and essential oils to create a unique and powerful gift. You can even carve symbols into the candles before they set. Gratitude boxes. Create a box filled with small items and notes of gratitude for someone special. Each item represents something you appreciate about them. Remember, the magic lies in the intention you put into these gifts. Infuse them with love and positivity to make them truly special. I'd love to see what you create. Share your magical DIYs with us using the hashtag #TaurusHeartDIY. Now, let's take a moment to center ourselves with a guided gratitude meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. And take a deep breath in. And out. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you, filling you with a sense of peace and gratitude. With each breath, feel this light growing brighter and warmer. Visualize the things you're grateful for. Your family, friends, pets, the simple joys of life. Let these images fill your heart with warmth and love. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat silently or aloud. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I welcome more love and abundance into my heart. Take a few more moments to bask in this feeling of gratitude. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of thankfulness with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining us on this post-Thanksgiving journey of gratitude and magical shopping. We are incredibly grateful for every one of you. Your support and energy are what keep the Taurus Heart family strong. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with us on social media using the hashtag #TaurusHeartFamily. From our family to yours, your holiday season be filled with love, light, and endless magic. Until next time, stay witchy. Farewell, Taurus Heart family. Wishing you a safe and enchanting holiday season. Blessed be.
With crystal charms and echoes of old, Charlene's powers are manifold.